Okay, so let's have a look at the Apple TV login screen. The noise, as you can see, quite some noise. This is in 4K SDR with the background screensaver is China Night. As you can see, on the plus we almost have no noise, but we have a lot of noise in that specific shade of color. Let's compare it with the other DLP projectors. So this is on the Titan Noir. I'm gonna change it so that's the Titan Noir. I'm gonna mask that one. And now I'm showing the Vidda C5. So let's mask it completely. So now that's the Vidda C5. As you can see, also a lot of dithering, even moving dithering. Not that much in the plus sign, but the rest is really having a lot of dithering. Noise. It's even worse than on the Titan Noir. It's really moving like ants here. Okay, so now I'm gonna mask that one and take a look at the Dangbei S7. So also with the Dangbei, a lot of noise. Actually, I never noticed that on the Dangbei. I never looked up close like that. But it's actually the Titan Noir is the best one here. It's a pity I don't have my Valerian anymore. So I'm gonna do it again on the Titan Noir. So that's the Titan Noir, as you can see, actually much better in static. Let me turn on anti-RB. Actually, I don't know if it's enabled or not. So go here. Anti-RB was off, so I'm gonna turn it on. And let's see what it does now. That's with anti-RB on. Yeah, it doesn't make that much of a difference.